Hello and welcome to this new video where I will show you how to use my latest plugin, Wpcomomatic, WordPress.com, blogs post importer plugin for WordPress. So using this plugin you can import WordPress.com hosted blogs to your standalone WordPress installation. To use this plugin, click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose File, navigate the zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. After you have installed the plugin, you should activate it. After the activation is successful, you can go to Plugin Settings. Here you can configure the plugin to fit your needs. If you want to post automatically to the WordPress.com blog, then you have to get a WordPress app ID and app secret. To do so, I will show you both. So this plugin can post to WordPress.com and from WordPress.com can import posts. Let's configure it first time to post to WordPress.com blog. For this, you can click here to get a new app. This is my test app. Let's create a new one. Let's give it a name, description, website URL. The website URL should be similar to this. Let's take only a portion of this. Redirect URL. This is the main, if you read this, app settings, please set the redirect URL parameter to this value. So copy the blue text and paste it here. Redirect URL. JavaScript origins does not matter, and the CAPTCHA. Leave this at its default value web and click create. After you have created the app, you can go back here, and here is the client ID. Copy it, paste it here, and the secret. Copy it, paste it here, and save app info. After this, you should go. I will be back immediately on these advanced settings. Now let's configure the plugin to post automatically to our blog. We should go here, post to WordPress.com, and we already did these steps. We have to authorize it now. Here we are prompted by the screen. Click approve, authorizing, and we got redirected back here. So now we can select a blog where we want to post automatically. Here we can select both or just one. So let's select this test blog, and here we can set many settings, as you can see. Let's explain them one by one. If you leave the delay posting by seconds blank, then automatically at publishing, at each post publish, the post will be posted to the linked WordPress.org blog. If you insert here a number of seconds, then after a delay it will automatically be posted. You can select the sites where you want to post them, the posts. You can select the post title template. You can use shortcodes here. Post title will be replaced by the post title that is posted. You can also use many more shortcodes here. The same for content. You can also use many more shortcodes here for the content. Also, the excerpt is customizable. WordPress post type you can select here post or page or any custom post type that you have active on your WordPress.com page. WordPress.com post date, you can select a post date. Menu order, this applies only for pages. Leave it blank if you don't know what this does. Page template, only for pages, the template that should be used for the generated page. Post format, enable comments, enable pickback trackbacks. You can enable, disable or inherit to be the same as the posted post. Import meta fields from posts. Post custom taxonomies. You can post custom taxonomies to the post. Here are the way you should post them. Publicize posted article. Publicize message template. If you want to automatically publicize the posted article to WordPress.org. Generate sticky posts. Likes enable, sharing enable, copy source post featured image. This will generate a featured image for the WordPress.com blog from the source featured image. Copy source post media. If you have attachments to the post, it will copy and generate the same attachment on the other blog. Default image ID when no featured image is available. This will set a default image. WordPress.com post author ID. You can set here a username or ID to be attributed for the post. Password, the post date, posting date or inherit from post. Auto WordPress.com tags, from categories or both. Auto category is the same. Additional post categories, additional post tags. Do not post pages, posts, custom post types, selected categories, you can list them here. Disable auto posting of selected tags and pause between requests if the blog has some protection on it, some anti-crawling protection. Okay, now let's save the settings. And now we can go post manually a quick post. Let's add it here. First of all, let's head here and view our website. Code Revolution blog. This is its name. So this is the WordPress.com testing website. It has nothing on it right now. We should go and create a post. Let's name it test 1, test content, and also let's give it a featured image. This, let's say this water image. Okay, and just hit publish. It's publishing right now on this website, and also it is sent to this website. As you can see on both, this is the original source website and this is the target WordPress.com website. Okay, now after I have demonstrated this feature, now let's head and automatically generate some posts from WordPress. For this, you should go to WordPress.com to posts menu page and import here the address at a WordPress.com hosted website that you want to import posts from. I want to import from their blog, their official blog. If you see this web page, it looks like this. This is the official WordPress.com blog. Let's import some posts from them. I want to run this rule automatically every 24 hours. Maximum 10 posts should be imported at once. Post should be published. Item type is post. post author is admin. Also here you can select any custom post type that you have, so any custom post type that you have active on your blog. If you don't want to run this rule automatically, uncheck this, then only manual runs will be enabled. And here are advanced rule settings. As you can see, there are a bunch of settings here also. You can customize the post title using also shortcodes from here. You can see here the list of shortcodes, the post content with many more shortcodes to use. Remember, last posted item and continue search from it. If you want to continuously import posts, then you should check this checkbox. Post type. You can input here the post type that you want to generate, post or any, or page, or any custom post type that you want. So you can query these post types. Post search query. You can input a query string. You can search for query terms. If you input here something, let's say banana, for example, this is just an example. Search post from author ID. You can search from a specific author ID. Search post by slug. Term to search post. You can input here a post term to search by meta key, search by meta value, skip first results, search post created after date. So if you want to search posts that are created after a date, you can input here the date, before the date, search posts that were modified after a date, modified before a date, search posts by category name slug. You can input here a category name or slug. Exclude post tree by ID. You can input here a post ID and the post tree will be excluded. The post you inputted and their children. Search post by tag name slug. Exclude post by post ID. Search post by status. Get only sticky posts. Order results by date or many more. Get only sticky posts, include, exclude, or only sticky. Sort results. Set post original date. Copy existing meta fields from post. Strip images from content. Limit title word count to a number of words. Pause between requests. If you have some anti-crawling protection on your website. Generated post format. Strip shortcodes from post content, additional post category, auto add categories, auto add tags, additional post tags, enable comments, enable pingbacks, trackbacks, auto get featured image, search attachment if no featured image found, default featured image, post custom fields, and import comments. You can also import comments from the targeted blog. Let's say I want to import 10 comments. And save the settings. The rule is created. Now let's run this real quick. Let's head to our blog. It contains now only the test post that I created earlier. Now it is importing from WordPress.com official blog. We can start refreshing our blog and we can see that posts are getting generated. The rule is still running, posts are still getting generated. So also the nice thing is that I configured the rule, the plugin, to automatically post not just here on my test site but also to the WordPress.com test site. So if we refresh the WordPress.com test site, we can see that posts appeared also here. So this is my test site and posts are published here, but also to my testing local blog. So the plugin got 10 posts, posted them here, and also posted them to the WordPress.com test site here, as you can see. Okay, so let's check just real quick just the post. It has also comments. You can see that full post content is available. Also,
you're listening to Song Exploder, where musicians take apart their song.
Real nice. Okay. Now let's head back to the plugin and let's see some other settings. In the activity and logging section, you can see rules that are currently running, restore plugin default settings, delete all generated posts, and activity log of the plugin. Also in the main settings, if we head back, we can make more settings to the plugin, copy images from content locally, do not check for duplicate posts, strip links from generated post content, show extended item information meta box. This is, I'll show you what right now what this is. If you go on a post, you will see this meta box with additional information attached to it. You can disable it using this checkbox. Enable logging for rules, enable detailed logging, automatically clear logs, timeout for rule running in seconds. If the rule runs more than this amount of seconds, then it will automatically be stopped. This is an hour. Okay. Send rule summary in email to this email address. Minimum title word count, maximum title word count, minimum content word count, maximum content word count, banned word list, required word list. These are posting restrictions. The post won't be published if you set these restrictions. You can resize the featured image to a predefined size. You can strip content from the post by HTML class or ID. You can strip head, style, and script HTML from content. Skip posts that do not have images. WordPress.com post types to skip. You can skip posts or pages at all. Skip posts that are older than a selected date than this date you set. You can automatically translate the posts using Google Translate to any language you select. You can set the source language of the post. You can also spin the post content using any method here, built-in method or free external methods, from which one is paid, and this is a high quality service. Also, you have a random sentence generator feature. Define here or here sentences with variables in them. Define values for variables here. You can so the plugin will select at random value for the variables, and also a random sentence will be chosen from this. Custom HTML code. You can use these shortcodes to set two custom HTML codes. You can input here add codes or anything else you want. Affiliate keyword replacer tool. Select a keyword, replace it with another keyword, and add a link to it. Also, we have two WordPress shortcodes to list posts that are generated by this plugin. Wpcomomatic list posts and Wpcomomatic display posts. These will list posts that are generated by this plugin. Okay, so this is all for now. Until next time, bye bye. I hope you will enjoy my plugins. Have a nice day.